So, hello and welcome back, guys, to another trade recap. So, today we are going to be doing the trade recap which I had taken yesterday, 21st January. So, quickly, overall, we had news Trump speech, and overall, we are pretty bullish. Overall outcome of the news at 8:50, 8 a.m., something like that. So, the market started rallying up, and it eventually came to the 1 hour FVG. Okay, so after this pullback to the range, here I completely missed this trade since it was not inside my macro timing. Most of the people have taken this trade only after seeing the trade holding the 15 minute fair value gap, and I've completely missed this trade. But after that, this 1 hour fair value gap which is present here, I targeted this as my draw on liquidity, and after this had gotten hit, we had some sort of an SMT and we got a seeing the state of displacement, and I had taken this trade. So main mistake I will call which I had made in this trade was focusing on the reversal model. Okay, if we just zoom out a little bit, market had been supporting bullish momentum for a lot of time, and it had already inverts the 1 hour gap. Okay, this 1 hour gap it had already been heavily inversed very nicely. Okay, so I don't think so. A sell trade would have done anything yesterday. So I think that was my only mistake. I'm just like a little bit confused on of draw on liquidity. I was hoping that the market can eventually retrace lower to the 1 hour fair value gap, and overall Trump's speech, I was expecting that the market can just reverse the entire move, but that didn't happen. We just rallied through and through and eventually went up and took out the external buy side liquidity. Okay, so yeah, that was the overall trade outcome. I think so. I jumped into the trade a little bit earlier as well because macro time, you see, macro time 10:11. So, like you could say I didn't force in the trade as we uh, displaced through this 1 minute fair value gap, this 1 minute fair value gap, and also we closed below the 2 minute consequent encroachment, then I thought that most likely we can give some sort of a retracement. This was a entirely a reversal model. So yeah, I should be a little bit careful with that. So I think I don't like I think so I could have entered here only just because it was not for macro. I don't think so it would have mattered that much. Some people entered here as well, expecting the 1 minute very shorter bullish order block. Okay, so yeah, that was the overall trade. Nothing much, nothing more. And this range is the consequent investment of the daily week, which I just reacted from that only. Okay, so yeah, that was the overall outcome of this trade. Overall, I was pretty bullish, but once the market had started rejecting this 1 hour fair value gap, I thought that we could get some sort of a retracement to the 50% of this overall range. So overall, this 50% range is around 1 hour fair value gap. So I was expecting that the market can either come to give a slight retracement even if the market does wants to go higher. Okay, so that was the overall trade recap for this trade. See you in the next one. I have some pretty good going into the live market, like pretty good overall outcome since the beginning of this year. So I think so just keep following what I'm doing, and yeah, hopefully we'll see some nice results going on to the day. So yeah, that was the overall trade recap. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye. Take care.